Here I've got V-MOBILE S39 and let me show you how to perform a factory reset on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down to the bottom of the list and click on Backup and Reset. Here you should pick the last option, which is Factory Data Reset, and you have to be aware that this operation will erase all data from your internal storage, including your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and all other user data. So let's click on Reset Phone if you truly want to do it, and now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all your personal data. But if you are sure, simply click on Erase Everything and then just keep waiting. And that's it. As you can see now, you can set up your device from the beginning, you can change wallpaper and add Google account or do whatever you want to. So that would be all. This is how you can perform a factory reset in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.